But you are on top of these small ones. Who does that? Get it's allow me to enjoy myself. So the way I cook, guys, I'm going to guess. The way I cook, I start with my onions. If I have like this, start with my onions, my tomatoes, not onions. You taste it. I'll start with my tomatoes because I'm not gonna put cooking oil. Today we are cooking with the peanut butter. I'm going to tell you to want it to be in the hey, ya pongo suka lenye nkokunje. How? Kat e. Yahlanje phoko ukuqula. Ukuyise ongkhona samu. Who does that? So I start, just mix it once. By salt. Bakhe kutawenzeni woneni. So this is the mint. Yeah, I've got another thorn. Yeah. This is the mint that I got from there. I just cut it. Acha. Thanks for Come here. Whoa. We are watering in the evening. There is no time during the day because I'll be busy in the field. So this is the best time to do some gardening. Yes, I have water now. It's just a miracle, After somebody came to look at the water pump, he removed the old pump and put a new one. After putting a new one, there was hardly any water. There was only maybe one gallon per day or two for some months. Then just suddenly one day I decided to open up the tank. And then the water just came flowing frequently. It was so good, and I just saw it as a miracle, After some months with no water coming out of the tank, suddenly the water was coming out. So, these days the water is coming out. So that's why I've just decided to open up my garden once more. Because now I have water, but then there is no time for the gardening because of the field, After finishing the field, in the field, that's when I will start the gardening full time. So this is just the start. I want masaka chili. After having some masaka chili, then I will start the gardening.
Tengisa la. Msuri yakucha batile nyala. Seli chinchile wale yabona nje. Mubobora une domas ne onion ne dovi. Yummy, look at the sunset, you guys. Look at that, beautiful. Yeah? How's going on? What do you cap into the green for? Yeah, what? Jeff. So, too much. What do you cap into the green for? In come to that person. Asipone kazvimukati. So dira padhuze. Ne light ngari light kunoko. Radza zvimukati. Rakoresa. Rakorere. Thank you. Oh, wenda kusaidia. All right. Kota mari ukuisa. Hola. Ora nenge tate mara kagwamba. Why sirunzi nyira? 4. Kabera seru peras. Mama tanga mesa soto tichikore chikore. Kusa soto be. Oi. Machini. Gwamba. Oh, that's right. Excuse me. No buda we. Mama do. Look at that. What's Datsika lahle. Datsha. Nganyathela lahle bandla. Datsha mama. Nadotsika. Ayo iri bodora ita. Dauda kusabhodore sadzi. Iroraito. Acha what is that? For our future. Hey, Natikalashi. Natikalashi. Go. Nigga, I can give. I got last year. I see this year. She try to touch it. I'm a go-getter. I'm a go-getter. Chikonye isiri kuto usamtadzo kamera bwana ye nayo rutora singaperi Donari gati mimi ndai tete kana sio gati ndio Bora esse chama será querer. Pesa. I'm saying see your chickens, they're like popo popo. Anti zivandezele laba. Zivandezelene kumbe ufuna ukugudumala enangwazi. Lenkarakate phezu kwezinye lezi lazo Mbona ngifuna uzidinga ukugudumala. Ufuna ufaka izigodo zokuthi zilokhuzi. Zilala phezu kwesigodo. Okay. You have to get inside, you guys. What are you doing? Tomorrow I'm going to fix some things for you so that you sleep well. But you are on top of these small ones. Who does that? Get out. No. Get away. How can you feel cold? No, guys, did you see that? Who does that? Is it right? Mama ndroesa ne ana wamadwe. Kiro wane ana. So we need to plaster here so that this one doesn't do like this. You see what's happening here? It's open so they will come out. So I don't want them to be outside. Yeah. Why you don't want to sleep over there? What's wrong with you? Huh? You're okay. Guys, I need to run. Zimbiri raro riari roti pamusoro pediki dzedzi ndosadza chibububu mangwana padasa matanda ekuti dzirari pamusoro pematanda foni manya sisalere aswabaiwa ndiani new number. Hello. Yebo. Musha murise. Ma? Wrong number. All right. Hanzi ndimota zvema headboard here. Zvakamba headboard futi. Kunoko kunonzwa Madleka village. Zvema headboard. Ndimota zvema headboard here, uda headboard. Deta ngoti uya North Changani chama. Hello, mama phone aya. Mwakazonditi hanzi ndimoita nezvei. Apa chita ndimogara ku Bed Bridge. Ndikachiwe. Inini? Zvakaoma. Guys, ndatsva guys. I want you to see I got bent, but also light. I was bent. You know I'm saying, you ndatsva ngichire guys. I want you to see. Varatidzi. Nekami. Parikuoneka? Manje light rakatasa ku side. Light ngaritase kunoko. Parikuoneka here mire. Ndatozviziva Miranda kuzvituma. Mimana, zvandadotsva nemi. Ndasina paona. Can you see that? Moto. This is off fire. This is a charcoal. I stepped on charcoal. You know, I just took off my shoes. Like always. I took off my shoes and look at that. What? They want to try with. Anyway. I got bent all. You do sara upeka boots. Pata gomba mi mwana. Tasa mama. Ya apa kakar kadiki. Yeso barati zozongana. Ndakabata. Ya nanga kutanga padhuze. Muri wake anoikoshisa. Pichana aenda Musikande wani zviya. Tara Jesi. Chakasimuka, chakafamba. It's cold. Now I want sasadzaria mama. Hey, Mamoyo, did you hear that, you guys? She is going to finish this photo. And I have Mamoyo going to eat because she is breastfeeding, you guys. So she eats a lot these days. No, do no pick up my bunch.
matendo mwe mwana baba vari kudla vachitenda vachibvuma kazi abika
mithika ndazoona kuti methi hanzi nevanhu methi. It's math, not me.
oh
It's math. Math ndoko vanonga kuti math you much. Miriam, wazodini mregeza makona yangu. Makanga mama. Ichadziya here papa. Watotongoisa kule adini soni.
vamwe vakudla sadza inongoda
Vanati musana ari kulepta kuboko. Sorry. Nefulu iyoyo ndo imwawo futi. Kandapiwa. Yes.
namoneka bodo
Ndaisa tu. Zvisimbi. Isambrema wako Miriam. Some cup. Guys, this stick is small. Very small. I can't even cook with it. What kurema poto. Ngani kutiyana. Nekamugotinyana. Anze sane kapo na mai vako yoda usane zimgomo unoisa papa. Ngwa kusahunuko. Ngwa kusahune. We'll see you when we serve, guys.
Miranda.
Okay.
Oh, buhamisa mazungu awogezandla.
Serving.
Nanka buya buhamisa amazogezandla Miranda. Buya la.
Miranda.
Oh. Tela la manzi la.
Sabu
Tela.
fara. Budwa kufara.
Tela onke.
Sorry puti. Sorry. Isa the right down kaka. Milk. Today no milk.
Kara
Yesterday
kuna
with no kettle, guys. With cows.
Swata udga. Chegirari bahafu so.
Muri moga na dunza. Right a day or
Takadga takasika kusiya kuti mukona todga. Hey.
Ndina kigwa. Ziyabe yachaitsvatsvagwa izvozvi haume ndezi singaonekwi nevana vayo. Mombe inotorwara kamusango. Asingazivi kandiri. Au. Chidhina chevanhu vabva kumunda.
Antivagarisa pamoto saka raihoma.
Semakorokoza.
Ratisina kuomesa zvavavhara zvi. Vagarisa.
I remember us eating sadza like this. This is not even hadhinise sadza rataimbodla pano pamba mazano vanhu vakudla chirungu. We used to eat a thick sadza more than this.
Kesupi ndoro mire. Kesupi ambo kezi supi.
Hapana chibhako, hapana chi. Yo. Tarisa hapo usukurudzi mira ndana plate. Ye white ne ma green card so maruwa.
Tava no file ko kulizini.
Mas ayiri ko manje. Maruwa green.
Wanga.
Tangu sara shimzulu bampezo. Le
Sukurudza yoyo.
Lwana kwa masasadi.
Ye bupongo. Kula.
Kasira sadza rakupakuwa. Chigara pasi.
Hakuna kusasa. Tangu chapambo sasa umelele waseko.
Mtu mdala.
Mfwana.
Asingisa wanguda no lindela pesho esikolo mude.
Sasa.
Tangu bani bizo lakhe kathi. Tangu mkhwenyana kanabani. Kaya kutaka nabani.
Ngiyazi nje ukuthi komahlahla ngale
Sunboy.
Umsulu ka.
Tangu mkhwenyana kana Sunboy. Yes. Kasi utinoro. Tinumzi.
Nozera mama. Iwe. Totira drama mukadzi wacho.
Muisire andiende unoziva
chimwe. Anozodzera ndesata yamuriwo.
Ndiye unoziva sadza ranoda.
Tinodzera but ndiro ndodzaita diki.
Kumusha kuno akuze kutaundi kunodliwa nebudget.
Chatenga hombe hombe ndiro.
Kutaundi modla nebudget ma isu kunoku tine matani.
Tinozodzera.
Tine matani nematani. So tinodla patinodira. Hakuna budget.
Ngavahle. Ndiro ndodzaita
kanganiswa mazuva aya mane maronda pauri. Nditambura.
Zvapora.
Kabanda.
Miranda, ndiwadzere.
Kutonora buti. Ndai chando chi. Makumbo tonoro andi.
Sadza rimo aningapedza. Watandowana pekuisa muriwo.
Hambisi sichara mireni kukuru. Sembuyi. Mfakereni sichara kuste famina.
Unego goma isako. Ndikokora. Uya padhuze shamari dovi rangu rinyatsobuda. Dovi rangu. Rinyatsobuda shamari. Today we na dovi. We na dovi. We na dovi.
Nanga para manzi akande mzimbe.
Kuna chisa. Chisa pamoja.
Ingoisa ikamwanga.
Sodeza padhuze shadovi rangu rinyatsobuda. Enda una majelasi. Une majelasi wewe. Oh, sorry. Tukangana.
Okay. Hapana. Utera neko. Asichande chocho. Zote akumatatizo. Tenda kurara.
Vanhu vanika kufudzwa.
Chando chachasi.
Pazuva mutonhora.
Ndafuraya mamoyo. Watozopera supu woita mushonga.
Ndikonyere.
Waita mushonga.
Ndikonyere kuti ndikuikoka. Oh, dzichizodikizia zvekuti mwana enda yakazara.
Vangani?
Fuji. Kama mama wambo zorora.
Dana farra mzoro. Nadi zama ndo mzoro.
Koko.
Zani.
Vafara vakafarisisa vakuda kuchema. Kaza moda itazete.
Give me camera first. That's the most important thing. Allow me to enjoy myself. Makumbo. Allow me to enjoy myself. Hanzi? Jesus. Ton. Eka, shop. Atora de nyawo shit. Allow me to enjoy myself. Mamo, so kanyara.
Haji. Hadi hoje.
Não, não.
Sai tá zuro. Negati uyono nikupa nyama. Ashina ngandeza mamo.
Mama ndira hangu nyama.
Mira ndo achona ngale ngana ndo ana ndo ku.
Mira, depois tudo já só agora.
Tumza.
Isroma ko la ko. Ra ko ya totonura.
Pass. Special pero.
Zive hermano.
Babas.
So deixa ele sana po. Mai tá pelalo.
Sadza na sadza.
Oh.
Yummy. Ati molado Devi kunaka.
Fish. Oh. So, andaziva kuti takanga sorry zvenyu.
I missed it.
Tudumira nta suta nakukora batara kukoreso.
Rakoresa. Saka meno razokora ramira kukwata. Allow me to enjoy myself. How can I not sing this song?
Sister Dora mbizo.